Hi everybody and welcome to today's session. I'm Kate and today we'll be covering depots. If you have any questions while or after the session, you can speak on the YouTube chat where Ollie will be available to speak with. So I'm just about to log into Prima now and show you how to create a new depot. Not sure what that was there. I think we had a drop in the network. Okay, so to create a new depot, what you need to do is you need to access the own company. So if I just enter own into the account code, it's going to bring up the own company, which is your own account. To generate a new depot, you need to add a new location. For example, within the Prima company record for the own company, we have the HQ and the depot. If I wanted to add another depot, what I would do is I'd go into an existing location and click the new icon in the same way that you would for any other company record, for example, a customer or a supplier within Prima. Enter in the details and save and close. Your depot will have then been created. Once you've then created this depot, you'll need to be logged in under this depot in order to place purchase orders for stock to be receipted in against this location. You have two options for setting the working depot. The first option, setting the default working depot, can be found within the administration. Within the administration, you need to navigate to user administration. And against the user, for example, your own user, you double click into the line where the account is held and you have an option for user default depot. At the moment, the default depot is HQ. If I wanted to change that, I would go into the depot, select that option and click save. That will then update Prima so that each time I log in, I'll then be logged in under the depot. At the moment, because I've not logged out of Prima in order for the change to update, I'm still logged in under the HQ depot. You also have an option within Prima to change your working depot without having to change your default working depot. So what I can do is I can just set my working depot within this field here by selecting the correct option and clicking this button here. When creating a purchase order for stock, I need to be logged in to the depot that I wish to raise the purchase order for. For example, if I was ordering for the HQ, I'd need to be logged in under the HQ depot, and when completing the receipt note would need to be created under this depot also. If you try to purchase an order that's been raised within the HQ depot whilst under the depot, you wouldn't be able to do so because it would say that the purchase order is situated outside of your working depot. You can also set depots against a customer location. I'll show you an example now. So if I go into this customer account and within the location, there is an option for dealer depot. So if I set the dealer depot as depot, what that will mean is when a sales order is raised for this account and it goes through to purchasing, if I raise that as a standard order, the goods are going to come in against the depot rather than the HQ depot. If you were to save that, you need to click the save icon. In the product balances, you can also see what stock is available for which depot. For example, if I was to use KF24001, go into the product, you can see that you've got the physical and available quantities within the record there, and that will show for whatever depot you're logged in under. If I go into the balances, you can see that my current depot currently holds 611, of which 573 are available to use. Under the alternative depot, there is 68 available and 57 available to use. Prima will only allocate stock from the depot within the depot that you're working. So for example, if I raised the order within the HQ depot, it would only allocate it from my current depot. So it would allocate it from the quantity of 573. If I didn't have stock and I wanted stock from the depot, I can click the transfer stock button and choose a quantity to transfer and apply. And what that'll do is it'll update the stock records to remove it from my current depot to the depot. Okay, so that's just a brief overview of using the working depots within Prima, switching between the two, how the stock works, and setting this for yourself and for customers. If you've got any questions and you're interested in training on this, if you could pop a message into the YouTube chat or drop an email to training@primasoftware.co.uk, and we're happy to go through this further with you. We do recommend when setting up the working depots, if you do have a training session, as it could be quite easy to be logged under one certain depot when you're placing an order for another depot, and then it's sort of a process of how you want to go back in and switch that up. So if you would like to book training, if you email training@primasoftware.co.uk. Thank you for watching.